So in this table, I give the cases and the population for each of these three countries. And we are going to write a part over whole comparison or fraction. In the United States, as of January 22, we had 56.2 million cases out of 330 million people. So this is the fraction. You can cancel out the millions. And then you can write your decimal and your percent, and then go through the same process for Canada and Mexico. So go ahead and try that, and then you can check your work. So what I ended up getting was 0.17, or 17% of the US has had COVID as of that time. For Canada, it was only 6%, and for Mexico, it was only 3%. So based on these numbers, the US has the highest fraction of people who have tested positive for COVID. Now, if I didn't have a calculator handy and I needed to do mental math, I just wanted to show you that you could round 56 up to 60 and round your 330 to 300. And then you could just put 60 over 300. Each of these numbers is rounded so that it has one significant digit to make mental math easier. And I can mentally reduce this to 1/5, and I'm going to show you the process for reducing this fraction. But this is not exactly 1/5, but it's an approximate answer. So we did scaling before. Now we can do divide on top and bottom. And so what I did is I started with 60 out of 300. We already got rid of the millions. And I divide by 10 and divide by 10, and I get 6 over 30. And we're going to continue reducing down until we get to 1/5 on the next page. And you can divide by any number that will go into these fractions neatly.